Gambling addiction. Don't lose grip on reality. Compulsive and problem gambling is a problem that, left unattended, can ruin the life of any gambler and those close to the gambler. Like other addictions such as alcohol, smoking, or drugs, gambling addiction is a psychological disorder that impairs a person's ability to make good decisions. Often, gambling can cause a person to lose their grip on reality, leading them to do things and spend amounts of money that would normally seem outrageous. Especially in today's day and age, when gambling over the internet is so popular, there are many people who have a problem with it. The first signs of problem gambling are not serious, as they will probably include small amounts of money lost. Over time, the problem can grow out of control though. As a person begins to lose more money, desperation sets in and they begin to make terrible decisions. The problem is compounded over and over again until there is no money left and all hope is gone. Gambling is dangerous because it is a gateway addiction. It can lead to things like depression and criminal activity. Do you feel like you have to gamble each and every day? Do you feel like gambling has taken control of your life to the point where you cannot get yourself free of its grip? These are realities for many people, and it is often difficult to admit that. Doing so is important, though. Treatments for gambling addiction are out there, but nothing has been noted as being extremely successful. Hypnotherapy is one of the more effective modes of treatment for gambling addiction, though. People see hypnotherapy on television and in movies and they miss out on the reality of the situation. Hypnotherapy is no joke that is used to simply mesmerize people. It is a real psychological treatment that can set a person's thinking back to the correct state. Hypnotherapy has long been an effective treatment for things like smoking, slimming, and stress, but it is successful in stopping problem gambling in a lot of people. I have been using hypnosis for many years to treat different problems that people may face. If you want to get rid of a problem that is having a terrible effect on your life, I suggest you find out more information about hypnotherapy and get started on stopping your problem. Hypnotherapy and self-hypnosis treatments are excellent stoppers for life's worst afflictions.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.